Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how you can watch adult videos on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe now. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. After that, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile photo. Next, tap on Settings in the top right corner. Inside the Settings menu, tap on General. Now scroll down until you find the option called Restricted Mode. Restricted mode helps filter out videos that may contain mature content. If this option is turned on, you won't be able to see some videos. So, if you want to watch adult videos on YouTube, make sure that restricted mode is turned off. And that's it. Once it is turned off, you're good to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.